everybody. I look like crap. It is 8:55. Charlotte and I slept until about 8:20. Ben woke us up, where we all kind of three woke up at the same time. Grandma's still sleeping, which he'll probably be waking up soon anyways. And I keep going out of focus. It keeps wanting to focus behind me. But I'm actually working on a Walgreens haul, and I'm gonna get hate for it because that's what I'm gonna do. But there's people out there in this world that are hurting more than I am, and there's people that don't have jobs and out there, and I'm not trying to make myself worse, but I just want to help as many people as I can. And yes, I might not be getting the non-essential items, but I'm taking precaution. I have my gloves, I have my mask on, and I know I'm gonna get hate for it because that's just what people do. But you guys don't know my situation, so that's the reason why I'm going out today. And then I think Graham needed me to go to the grocery store for something, I thought, or unless I dreamt it, I can't remember. And the grocery store is right next to Walgreens, so I gotta hit two birds with one stone. You guys, look at this little shopping cart. I got this at Walgreens like last week when I had to go there for Easter stuff. But they had Easter candy in here, and this cart is so cute. I want to get more if they have more. But it's like a perfect cart for Barbie. So when Charlotte gets older, she can play with it. Otherwise, I might use it. And I might get some of those, like, what are they, 5 surprise things, because they actually have, like, groceries and stuff. But the cart, like, flips open like a real cart. And then the seat where the little kid can sit in there. It's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. I mean, this would be something to give for like a coupon or gift. If you guys need to give like little things, like you could put like makeup in it. I just think that's so cute. So I want to get more of those just because it's awesome. But yeah, yeah, I'm pretty excited just to get out of the house. It's gonna be the only time I'm probably gonna get out of the house this week. So we got that going on. Yeah, Ben is watching YouTube right now on our TV, but I'm gonna make the kids breakfast. I'm gonna work on my my craft area stuff today. But yeah, I'm just excited to finally get some stuff done. I got motivation, I slept. That's my biggest thing right there. So on to some breakfast. Okay, you guys, the time is 12:03. Graham just left for work. I said I was gonna go to Walgreens. He's like, well, what do you need to go to Walgreens for? Even though he said I could go. And I'm like, fine, I won't go. I just want to get out of the house. But everything is literally sold out on Walgreens.com. I'm like so mad because there's actually some stuff that I did want to get. But I ended up getting Sally Hansen nail polish. They have it for like, I think $5.69. And it's buy one, get one 50% off. And then you guys will, there's a 6 off of 2 digital coupon. Plus you get 2,000 points when you buy 2. So I ended up doing that. And then I got the deodorant, Secret deodorant and Old Spice deodorant. Those were both 2 for $8. So I got 2 of each. And then I had 4 off of 2 coupons. And then you get, what, 5,000, you get, I forgot to write it down, but you get points when you buy 4 of them. So I did that. So I ended up paying, I used $10 worth of points. I saved with $14 worth of coupons, and I used $10 worth of points. So it came to $24.25 for everything, and I got it all the way down to $1.58. And then I'll be getting, I think, like 6,000 or 7,000 points back. So, or I'll get 6,240 points back. So we got that. Yeah, I just wanted to get out of the house today, but then I'm like, no, I gotta get stuff done. It snowed, you guys. I went to go get, the mail came at 11 o'clock today, which is super early. And it started snowing, and now it's stopped. But it wasn't like a thick snow. It was kind of just like a small snow. But it is freaking cold out here outside. I'm debating if I just want to go get food, even though I got plenty of food here to eat. But I just kind of want to get out of the house. You know, get the kids out of the house. I don't know. I gotta load the dishwasher and just kind of pick up a little bit. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clear off the kitchen table right now because it's got a lot of my craft stuff on it. So that is what I was gonna do. If you guys watched my vlog yesterday, I would have told you what I wanted to do. So if you guys see, like, this is my kitchen table because I was doing some crafts, and then this is some stuff. I gotta put that away. That's the that's a pack and play, but I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff. So look at it while you guys can. For now, I'm gonna start putting everything away. Yeah, so, and then I gotta still do a video for my basement because I haven't done anything with that yet, so lots of stuff going on. Sorry, I'm not even tired, it's just I'm bored. Just got finished watching Can't Hardly Wait. I love that movie, you guys. I don't even know why I didn't add that in my favorites movies. There's so many movies I love, but that movie is the movie that I watched the most times ever in one day. I think my friend and I were either 15 or 16 or 17 at the time. I can't remember. But I watched that movie. We watched it together. We watched it 5 times in one day. Like, I can quote that movie like that. But, hey you guys, so it is 3:14. I haven't done anything. I am not feeling very good all of a sudden. Ben is running outside in his underwear and a t-shirt, and it is freezing cold outside. It is currently snowing. Here he comes, right here. Look at this. He's coming. If you guys can see him right there. He looks like he's freezing cold. He's crying. Oh, hold on. Okay, you guys, so Ben fell behind the fence that I couldn't see him, but he lost his little ball, so I ran out there and got it. He's okay now. He's just a little upset. It says, Ben, just sit back and relax. So we were watching Trolls 1 because I thought it'd be awesome, as Miss Charlotte likes to dance to music anyways. So I'm gonna probably start cleaning up a little bit. I'm gonna do more, like I'm gonna go up and down the stairs when she's in it and taking a nap, which should be soon, because I want to leave the baby gate open and I don't want her to fall down the stairs. Oh, I'll put something on it too, okay, honey? He scraped his arm too. But I just posted a video. I'm completely over it. Like, it doesn't bother me anymore, but I felt like, you know, in times like this, I heard that there's, with people being stuck inside, I heard there's like more abuse and all that stuff, and you shouldn't take it. You should be a strong person, and there's a lot of people out there that get taken advantage of, or pretty much taken advantage of, like I was, and I didn't realize it until after, you know, I finally stuck my foot down. So yeah, I mean, it's yeah, but you know, I'm over it. I was dumb and young, and basically, you know, that's what it basically was about. I gotta get Benjamin another Band-Aid, so I'll start cleaning some more. You guys, I brought the crap downstairs, and I'm finding a spot to put it in, so that corner is free. I just gotta empty some of the stuff on the kitchen table, and it's snowing again. I am so sick of this. It's supposed to technically rain, but it's so cold outside that it's snowing instead. But I'm just sick of this miserable weather. It's like the earth is even miserable. That's why we've been getting such crappy weather. But the time is 5:40. I'm just gonna get something to eat for Benjamin, and I'm gonna clear off the table. I gotta figure out what me and Charlotte want. Ben's a picky eater, so that's why he's having different food. But I gotta figure out what Charlotte and I are gonna have for dinner. I'm gonna have, probably today, maybe tomorrow, I gotta take the window clings off the windows. But Paris has finally came out of her shell. Right, Miss Paris? Hi. Say hi, Paris. Hi. My little baby girl. That's my baby. That's my baby. My first adopted baby. So, yeah, my life is really, really important to you guys. So, yeah, I don't know. I want to do something more productive today. I think I'm going to make Jell-O. Because, so you guys, hold on. He keeps walking. He just went to the bathroom and he walks out with his pants off. But I think I'm going to make Jell-O because I'm going to do like Jell-O, bananas, and whipped cream. Or Cool Whip. What? Do you want me to help you play this game?
Yeah.
So, that's what I'm going to do.
It's a motorcycle game.
A motorcycle game. So, I'm going to help him play his game, and we're just going to get something to eat. So, well, you guys, it is 9:31. Graham's home. Ben's awake. Charlotte's asleep. But Ben's sleeping. I don't know. I did get my area cleaned up, which is fine. I made my Jell-O today. Yeah. I just found out that this whole thing might be happening for another month. I've been trying to watch, you know, the news and everything, but I don't like watching it because for a while there I was just getting depressed, you know, watching the news. So I've been trying to avoid the news as much as possible, but it seems like this lockdown's going to be down for at least one more month, which is okay. But yeah, other than that, I'm going to try to have a snack and then we're going to go to bed. Benjamin's got to settle down. Right, Mr. Ben?
No.
No. Okay, we'll see you guys all tomorrow.